In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your Google Slides and turn your Bitmoji classroom scene into an engaging GIF. Whether you're aiming to create a lively presentation or want to add a personal touch with some animated flair, I'm here to walk you through the process with step-by-step clarity. Before we begin, make sure you're at your computer with a stable internet connection because we'll be diving into Google Slides, a fantastic tool for both students and teachers who want to create vibrant content. Let's start by heading over to Google Slides. You can find it easily by searching for it online or going directly to your Google Apps if you're already signed into a Google account. Once there, if prompted, sign in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to access this feature. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see all the presentations you've created or have access to. For our purpose today, look for the option that says blank presentation and click it. This will open a new untouched slide where all the magic will happen. Once your blank presentation is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see various tabs like File, Edit, View, and so forth. Here you need to click on the Insert tab. Clicking this reveals a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you're going to look for and then click on Animation. Selecting this feature is crucial because it's going to allow you to bring your slides to life with movement. Now let's enhance the presentation with some motion. On the right-hand side of your screen, a new panel will appear labeled Animation. This is where you can adjust the settings to animate the objects on your slide. When you click on an object, whether it's a text box or an image, you'll be able to apply animations to them. There's an array of animations to choose from, so feel free to experiment with different styles, such as fade, appear, or slide, whichever best suits the feel of your project. Finally, to add an overarching transition effect between your slides, you should click on the Motion tab in the same panel. Here, setting slide transitions can help create a smooth visual journey when moving from one slide to the next. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can animate your Google Slides, capture your audience's attention, and make your Bitmoji classroom scenario pop with life as a GIF. Keep practicing with different animations and transitions until you find the perfect combination for your slides. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.